The camera calibration panel is another place for you to further adjust the colors in your photograph. It has two sections, process and profile. To start, the process is going to have a year number, and these correlate with the years that they've actually made changes, significant changes to some of the developed settings, primarily the basic panel. If I drop down the basic panel, this is the most current one in 2012, but if I were to change this down to 2003, this is what the original basic panel looked like in 2003. There are a lot of sections missing. You don't see shadows or whites or highlights. It was just a different type of processing. So for all your newer images, they will automatically import at 2012, and you can also go back and change your other photos up to 2012 as well. For the profile, if you click on this little drop-down, you're going to see some options. Selecting a new profile can modify and change those colors. And Lightroom uses the colors that you choose here as kind of a base for some of the other sections, primarily the basic panel and the white balance settings. But you don't really have to worry about that too much. You can just kind of see this as another place to adjust the colors. So you can start by selecting a profile if you like, or you can make adjustments in the manual sliders below if you want to, let's say, saturate the reds or desaturate the greens and just kind of create your own version. Each camera brand is going to have its own set of profiles. So with my Canon cameras, I get different types of profiles than I do with my Fuji camera. This is a Sony a7R, and you can see that these are also different as well. However, if you're processing a JPEG image like I have here, the profile is going to say embedded, and you cannot make any changes to it. It relies on that raw information in order to actually adjust the profile information with the calibration panel. However, you can adjust the manual sliders below to play with the colors in the photo.